Hey folks, it's Michelle here from Tattooed Sister. Today's hot tip is all about how to store your gun after you've finished at an event and you're about to go home. So your gun could be this one or it could be a siphon feed. You've emptied out as much paint as you can and there will be a bit of residue paint left in the actual gun. So what I'm going to suggest is you store your gun in this kind of position when you go home. So pop it in your box, holder, whatever you have, whatever your gun came in that you use. If you pop it in this position where the paint residue is staying at the bottom of the gun, it's going to be so much easier to clean when you get home. Now if you just throw them in randomly and they're in this position, what's going to happen is if your gun is you've used it a few times and it's a little bit older, the rings inside the gun are going to be a little bit perished because we clean our guns in a metho-based product. What happens is the rings deteriorate over time, which means if the paint is up here, it's going to run into the rest of the gun, which means when you get home, you're going to have to pull the entire gun apart and clean it, which is very time consuming. If you're clever and you store it in this kind of position, when you get home, you only need to clean this bottom area, the main part. It's super fast to do and it'll save you lots of time and effort and screaming and mess and everything else. Anyway, so there you go, hot tip for today. Stay tuned, I have got more hot tips and fun facts on their way. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.